welcome back to the Crafty Bee Budgeting channel. Today I'm going to give you a tour of my warehouse, so follow me. Okay, stepping in, the first thing you see is my AC unit. There is no air or heat in here, and I have this one plus two other fans. It's okay for right now, but I'm gonna have to upgrade soon. Over here is where we're keeping some totes that needs to go up into the loft up there, but right now we're keeping them right there. Okay, starting on this side, here's the roll-up door, some brown packaging paper, some boxes. This is my shelf that I have my eBay store on, my listed items right here. I don't have that much yet. This is about 150 or so items. Over here is my listing area, well, my photo area. So when it comes in, I put it on the shelf over here. That's my little death pile. And when I get ready to list it, I clean it up, photo it, and then I put it on the shelf over here, and then I go and I list it. Over here is a few of my scrunchies, some books, some bubble wrap up there. Over here, these are all items that needs to be listed and cleaned up. Let me show y'all that bottom shelf also. And here's also another shelf. Over here is my jewelry stuff. I have a Shopify store that I started building back in November, and in that little box there, about 60-70 pieces of jewelry can fit in there. But here's some packaging materials, a little prop right there, some little decor for pictures and packing, and that's over here. And then over here is just my extra packing supplies, boxes mainly, and then just folders and other stuff around the warehouse, trash bags and this and that. Over here is where I got my scale to weigh everything. I weigh everything that I list. I don't want no issues with the weight when it comes to postage, because shipping can make or break any business that's online. I got my Dymo Epson scanner, my printer, and I was editing this video, as in I did a video before this, but it was so shaky, so I put this on my tripod. Forgot to let the legs down, that's why the angle might be a bit awkward, but let's roll with it. And over here is my craft studio. When I'm doing my videos, I have the camera set just like this, but I have these two lights on tripods, my little whiteboard for my little reminders when I'm doing videos. Also, this right here, I have another camera. I have some apron kits that I put together that I'm gonna make. And here's all my thread that I use for my embroidery and sewing. Oh. And over here, let's see if I can squeeze through here. This is my fabric shelf right here. I have scrap fabrics. This is my embroidery piece that goes to my machine. Some scrap fabrics here, some stuff to iron with right here. This is my first embroidery item that I did for my sister, and then I made me a skirt and a little matching scrunchie for it. Bags of thread. I use these to roll my my fabric up. Well, not these. Where are they? Oh, I think I'm out. But these right here, these are just little cupcake boxes that I use that I would put little bundles to. Where is it at? I did this. I wanted to see how this would look. Taylor Rose, her YouTube channel is Taylor Rose. She said that she put these little packages together around the holidays. Is when I first saw them, and I was like, I wonder how that would look. So basically little cupcake holders with scrunchies in them. Wanted to see how that looked. Just some stuff for my eyeglasses over the years. My stuff to make envelopes for saving and budgeting. Got a couple of those. I'm sure I'm gonna fill those up with just little things. These are jewelry holders. Over here, a little radio. Beauty and the Beast. I love that series. So I got that sitting up there. Got fabric in these little containers down here at the bottom, down there. And up here is different craft stuff. Word search, coloring books, gel pens, some diamond painting stuff here. This, I need to clean that up, and I'm going to use that for storage. Also, I have some craft stuff down here in those. There's some Christmas craft stuff, the mugs that I'm going to use for a craft project, some wine bottles and liquor bottles that I'm going to use. Also, these is what I use for my scrunchies, to hold scrunchies. I got that box of napkins that I'm going to do decoupage stuff for. That's another craft project. At the bottom is some more stuff. I mainly get my stuff on clearance or at estate sales. This thing of clay, that's I think baking clay. That's what she called it. I forget the name of it. But got that in the estate sale for like $8. And some paint brushes, Dollar Tree's finest, decoupage and Mod Podge supplies, paints. My whole thing with the Mod Podge, I bought this one. I want to do some decoupage, but I got some plates at the bottom down there in that newspaper under the napkins there. I'm gonna do those soon. This is my Christmas box. And this up here is just some stuff that I use to decorate bottles. Yarn up there in my Centro sewing machines. Some wooden boards that I'm gonna use for some craft projects. This is my yarn that I've used in this box here. And also that right there, I was gonna use these to make some this is a craft project I was gonna do. I was gonna make some pom-poms to put through these to make little mats, place mats. This I'm gonna use for a craft project that Anthony Kramer gave me an idea for. These tins, just gonna use these for storage. Just got these at estate sales. Got this at an estate sale for like $1. This here, a Circuit Easy Press. Haven't used it yet, but I'm going to. And in this black gym bag and this suitcase, nothing but fabric. I mean, yarn. I was on a hardcore yarn kick in 2021, so I got tons of yarn. I love that ombre colored yarn, so I got tons of ombre colors. So all of this is yarn in here. And in this suitcase. Oh, sorry about all the movement, y'all. But this is more fabric on those bolts. And in here, just fabric, I keep saying fabric, yarn, and more yarn. Tons of yarn on clearance from Joann's. And this right here, I got this like a week or two ago for like $1 at an estate sale. Some wine corks. Gonna do a project with that. And here's my foam that I use for my mugs and crosses. I went out to Canton. There was a little warehouse out there. Fill a bag. It was like $10 back in the day. So many crosses you could fit in that bag for like $10. I can get 96 crosses in one of those bags. And over here, when I'm doing, this is where I'm sitting when I'm doing videos. I've been going through this, trying to see what I have. Here's some of the scrunchies and the pouches that I've made. I need to close these up still, but here's some matching scrunchies with these. And I got some pillows that I've made, matching pillows. And here's the scrunchies on these paper towel holders here. Yeah. Got some more, and then here's a tote of scrunchies I got down here. But, yep, y'all, this is my warehouse. I had to get all that stuff out of my house. So when I did, I set it up here. So I really decluttered my house. And here's a trap. I have a camera, another camera. It's an older one. The memory card came in, but it doesn't fit. I got it off eBay, so I gotta find another one. Here's my other air conditioning unit. And then there's my other air conditioning unit. Yeah, but these are not gonna work for Texas heat right now. In May, it's cool, as in they'll do. But come June, July, oh, your girl gonna have to upgrade. But this is my craft studio, y'all. But also, air conditioning unit, my little fridge, my little step ladder, picture my husband found me, and the bathroom. It's a bathroom. It's a nice size. Nice size bathroom. But and that's it. That's all I got for you today. So if y'all have any comments or questions, please drop them below. Please subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Yes, shameless plug. You girls got to do it. I will talk to you later. Bye.